a 2024 Buick Envista, this is how you replace the remote battery, okay? First thing you're gonna wanna do, turn it over, remove the emergency key. There's a button right here, we're gonna push it, you pull out the emergency key. Now that we have that open, we're gonna split the remote open. You gotta be very careful when we do this, okay? So go ahead, and I like to use this slot that the emergency key came out of. Just put the screwdriver in just a little bit, give it a little bit of a pry, and take the back cover off. All right, you just need to be careful of the button here, that you don't damage it or move it. Okay, there's a little spring in there and it can all fall apart. So, whoop. On the back half of the remote is where the battery is located. And we're just gonna pry it out real quick and I'll show you what size it is. The size is gonna be a CR2032 battery, and I will have a link down in the description box. Takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new battery if you need one, and I'll have the size there too, again, if you need that. So the positive sign right here, this side is gonna be facing down in the remote, okay? Like that, all right? Let me just get the two halves. Let me line them up, snap them back together. Emergency key goes in, you're good. Done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you'd hit that like button for me, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.